Evening, folks. We are live at 8:51. I'm going to copy the list on my way up. And we're battling for David's UKG FX7. 15 spots. You got good odds here. Going to paste them in. 1 through 15. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We slowly got a 5. All right. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Scott, round 1. Ron 2. Troy, round 3. Carl, round 4. And our winner is Carl Pierrick. In at number 4. Congrats, Carl. Here's the verification and official results. CFEKBK. Carl Pierrick, in at number 4, is the champ of the FX7 battle, which means I'm done at 8:52 p.m. There she is. Again, here's the official results and our winner, Carl, in at number 4. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.